Hi everybody, wanted to show you the results of our Elaeagnus percolation that we did. So we did a 1 to 5 final concentration, which means we started with 60 grams of Elaeagnus. Here's what's left. And we collected the first 300 mils that came out of our percolator, right? So we had a finished concentration of 1 to 5 instead of a starting concentration of 1 to 5 like you do with maceration, okay? And it's super interesting to see how dark this 300 mils is, right? I try to shine a light through it. It's almost opaque. You can see a little bit of that. And then what we have over here is what was actually left in the mark after we finished our percolation. We pressed it out with a tincture press, and it's much, much more dilute, which is really interesting. So that shows you the first volumes that are coming out of that percolator are the most concentrated, right? They're the richest. And when you taste them, you can see that as well, right? So this is a little bit of the first 300 mils that we collected. Oh, so good. It has this wonderful Elaeagnus leaf flavor. It's got some aromatics, a little bit of astringency from the tannins. Really rich, delicious tincture. And this is what was left in the mark. So you can see it's a lot lighter, and most of the goodies are, have been taken out by this point. And taste that. Ooh, I taste alcohol. Maybe a little bit of Elaeagnus character. So that's really interesting. And here's the pressed out mark, really dry, right? That's what's left after this whole process. So it's really interesting to see. This is, it's kind of a different way of thinking of your concentration, right? This is finished percolate concentration versus starting concentration, like we do with a maceration.